During my Presenting Passionately courses, I always ask people, what holds you back from letting out your authentic passion? And every single time someone says, fear of judgment. How are people going to perceive me? And here's the rub. Whether you let out your authentic passion or you play it safe, we're going to judge you either way. Because that's what we do. We judge. People judge. And one aspect of people's presenting that could be held back from fear of judgment is their body language. So often if we're worried about being judged, we'll have these very measured and safe kind of gestures and body languages we might learn in a course. And what we're really doing is we're putting ourselves in a cage, because oftentimes these things are not authentic. They're not connected to our authentic passion. They're a very safe way of expressing ourselves that we've learned. And I'm so sick of people being held into this cage, because when you let yourself out, all kinds of great stuff comes out that's connected to what you want people to feel. And that's when we really get moved. And a lot of these judgments we put on ourselves. And when we get free of them and we experience letting out our passion, we are more ourselves. And we start having more fun, we're more magnetic, and we're really doing things to the audience. So during this video, I probably did a lot of other hand movements and arm movements that you might not see in a normal video, because I allowed myself to do what came up organically. So I don't know, was I too much? Judge me in the comments.